Hey there, snack lovers. Today we're going to make something I couldn't decide that if I wanted it to be a muffin or a cookie. So it actually became both. So say hello to the Muffkey, a soft, chewy, packed with oats. For that, I'm totally eating something healthy feeling. So let's get baked before I eat all of this up. Let me show you what it looks like. So it's half cookie and half muffin. Just came out of the oven, so it's like super hot. Look at that. But it's a cookie. Half muffin, half cookie. I hope you try these. Enjoy. We're going to begin by adding a third cup of melted butter into a bowl. Now we're going to add half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to whisk that all up so that way you get all the lumpy bits of the brown sugar out. Now we're going to add one large egg and whisk that in well. Now add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to add in a cup and a half of rolled oats or quick cooking oats. I'm going to switch spoons here because the oats are going to get all stuck into the whisk. So I'm going to use a silicone spoon instead to mix this all in. That's much better. Once that's all in, we're going to add a cup and a half of flour. Now we're going to add in a tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to add in 2/3 cup of milk. We're going to mix that all in really well. Now at this point, what I want to do is I'm going to divide this into 2 portions because my son wants chocolate chip and my husband wants blueberry. So I'm just going to divide the batter into 2 portions and I'll do half of it with chocolate chips and the other half with blueberries. So there we go, half a cup of chocolate chips. Just going to mix that in. Just distribute those chocolate chips evenly throughout. Now I'm just got these silicone mats. I use these for egg bites, but I'm going to use this for this. But you don't have to. They really hold their shape well. Just use a parchment, a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and then just scoop them out. This is a 1/4 cup scoop. So just use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to get 12 good sized, about the size of the palm of your hand, cookie/muffins. But I have these, so I just use these to portion them out, but you don't have to. Just use parchment paper and a cookie sheet if that's what you got.
So we did those chocolate chip ones, and now with the other half of the batter, I'm going to put in a half cup of blueberries. So those are going to go in. Try to, when you put in the blueberries, try to stir it without smudging the blueberries if you can. Now I'm going to use the same cookie scoop that I have, or muffin scoop. I use this actually ice cream scoop for my muffins. So they're roughly the same size. I use it for cookies too. But again, just use a quarter cup. If you want them smaller, you can go ahead and use a tablespoon and just drop them onto a cookie sheet with a tablespoon if you like. I like them a little bit larger because mainly my family uses this as a breakfast alternative. They kind of want to just grab and go out the door, and they don't have time to sit at the table for breakfast because they wake up so early in the morning. My husband wakes up at like 4 a.m. So this is a good breakfast to just grab and go. This is chocked full of oats, but you can add flax seeds to it or walnuts. But here you go. So they kind of really hold their shape really well. So they're going to come out of the oven, let them cool. These are still piping hot, but you can see how they look. So I bake them at 350 for approximately 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. These are really piping hot. They just came out of the oven, but look at them. It's like a cookie, but the inside texture is like of a muffin. That's why I call them muffkies. It's a great breakfast alternative. So fill it with all kinds of goodness that your family likes. You could put raisins, you could put nuts, you could put flax seeds, chia seeds, whatever you like inside. Now these ones are the blueberry ones. These are ones that are my favorite. I love blueberry. Blueberry anything, that's my favorite. My husband likes blueberry too. And these are not too sweet. They're not overly sweet, so it's not as sweet as a muffin or as sweet as a cookie. I really do hope that you try these. I love these. They're so easy to make, something different, perfect for a lunchbox or breakfast or a snack or just an afternoon pick-me-up with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea.
And just like that, we have muffkies, golden, soft, and dangerously snackable, perfect for snacking, lunch boxes, breakfast. So seriously, good luck eating just one. But if you do try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Did you go classic and add chocolate chips like I do, or went totally wild with it? I also did blueberry. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any more tasty experiments in my kitchen. See you next time. Happy snacking. Bye, friends.